Assalamu alaikum little learners. Today is 14th September and 21. The day is Tuesday. Today first of all we have done a quick recap of all the skip countings we have done so far. That is a table of 2, 4, 3 and 5. We have done the skip counting with every individual in the classroom, and then later we have done the table of 5. Okay, for the skip counting of 2, it helps you to memorize the table very quickly on your fingers. With 10 fingers at least you have to memorize first and skip counting numbers of the tables or given or the numbers given to you already. We have done in the classroom in grade 1, we have done the skip counting in the tables of 2, 3, 4, and till now we have done the table of 5. Yesterday you have done the skip counting of table of 5, and later you have today you have done the practically done the 5 timetables on your copy as well. First of all, we have memorized the tables in the classroom with the help of skip counting. Skip counting is very simple, and it helps you to memorize your tile the whole table on your fingers by not doing that lengthy procedure of calling all the numbers, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and so on. Simply what you will do, tell your child to take out his close his fist and take out every time a finger with one number, like 2, one finger with 2, then 4 next finger, then 6 with third finger, 8 with fourth finger, and 5th with 10th with fifth finger, and so on. It's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 10 fingers complete, and first skip counting 10 numbers are completed on your fingers to get the multiplication concept very clearly. The next number was 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. It's very easy and very simple to memorize. Whenever you are going to ask a child that what is 3 sevens are, so what the child will do, that the child will simply take out his or her fingers, his or her finger, like for 3 sevens are 3, 4, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay, 3 sevens are 21. So on fingers the child can tell you the tables easily. For skip counting of 4, we are having 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. For table of 5, we are having 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. So this is how it will help them to memorize the table very quickly on their fingers. All you need to know only first 10 numbers of the skip counting. Alright, so later we have done the classwork in the copy. The classwork was they have to write alright, they have to write the date, then classwork, then day. After that they have to write the topic, that is multiplication. Then they have to write 5 timetables. Okay, these are the basic things which a child need to write and practice about. Alright, the next thing is that they are going to write the table of table of 5 in the classroom. Every child has to practice this. Please parents, whenever you are doing work with your child in the classroom as well, you have to practice this well, that they should write these tens and ones on the top of the page. Alright, okay. So they have to practice with these tens ones and tens ones on the top. This is very important to memorize a table and to get the concept of tens and ones. Alright, so we start writing the table. Every time you have to start the table with 0, as they have already get the concept of 0, that whenever a number multiply or divide with 0, the answer will be 0. So 5 zeros are 0. 5 0 times is 0, as 0 means nothing. So whenever you multiply or divide anything with 0, you got the answer 0. Now the next one is five ones are 5, then 5, 1s are 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, now as you can see that whenever I'm writing any number, I'm writing the number, the single number I have written under ones line. Alright, as you can see, ones line. But when we convert a number into the tens number, then we automatically shift to ones and tens. See, ones and tens. So this practice you have to make with your kids at home as well, that whenever they are going to write table, they are going to write the table in this way by keeping tens and ones concept in the mind. Alright, the next thing after completing table till 12, every child should in written form they should memorize and read table till 12, and on skip counting they can memorize first 10 numbers. Later what a child can do is that you have to make practice of do the practice of every time tell a child to write the skip counting of that table as well on till whatever number they have, they can write it. Like for this they have written till 105, they can go to 200 as well, they can even stick to the 60 as well. But every time whenever they are going to write the tables or you are going to practice the tables with them, please tell them and make them practice. They have to write the skip counting of that number as well. Alright, so it's very easy. Thank you so very much. Please memorize the table and do memorize the skip counting as well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.